And another math problem naman ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon. In our last video tutorial, we discussed about comparing numbers. However, this one, we will deal with radical numbers or exponential numbers. So this will be interesting and a simple method on how to evaluate this one without using calculator. So before that, try to answer first. Compare the two numbers by choosing the correct mathematical symbol, less than, greater than, or equal, between square root of 3 and cube root of 5. Pause the video and try to answer. Tinry mo ba? And if your answer is less than, mali. And if your answer is greater than, then you are correct. Now, how to deal with this one in a simplest possible way or without using calculator? I will give you 3 simple steps. First one, convert the radical into exponential. Number 2, express the exponential into whole number. And then number 3, simplify the results. And of course, disclaimer, this method is only for comparing, no? Not getting the exact value. Let's proceed. So step number 1, we will convert first into exponential numbers. So square root of 3 is equivalent to 3 raised to 1 half. On the other hand, cube root of 5 is equal to 5 raised to 1/3 because this is cube root. And step number 2 is we need to express the exponents in a whole number. That is why we cannot get the exact value because of that. However, this will become vital steps on how to deal with this one in the simplest possible way. Now, how to make them whole number, 1 half and 1/3? As we know, we need to multiply the LCD from both numbers 1 half and 1/3 to convert them into whole number. And what is the LCD of the denominator? The first one is 2 and the other one is 3. So since 2 and 3 are relatively prime, in short, there is no common factor between these two numbers other than 1. So the LCD must be the product of the two numbers. So 2 times 3 is 6 and that will be the LCD. So let's do that. So let's multiply the two exponents by 6. So 3 raised to 1 half times the LCD of 2 and 3, which is 6. And let's do that on the other side. 1/3 times 6. And let's simplify this one. So 3, 1 half times 6, that is 6 over 2 or 3 raised to 3. And then 1/3 times 6 or 6 over 3, that is 5 raised to 2. So our simplified form will be 3 cubed, that's 3 times 3 times 3, and that the answer is 27. And 5 squared, which is 5 times 5, 25. So it will give us an idea that 27 is greater than 25. So what do we mean by that? In that case, we can conclude that since 27 is greater than 25, therefore, square root of 3 is greater than cube root of 5. Simple as that. If you learn something, pause, like, and share.